Dear all, we are going to present this lively interactive lesson on fractions for you. This lesson is improvised so that you may feel the sense of real classroom, and its activities are devised in such ways so that every learner can understand the concept easily and in a fun way. We, a team of 3 teachers representing ourselves as I, Sonia Sharma, your mathematics teacher, Mrs. Shama Parikh, and Mr. Deepak Prasad, as students in this act. I extend my thanks to all of you. Let us enjoy the lesson.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Please sit down.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, today we will start our class with an activity about which I have talked yesterday. So, what is this in my hand?
Ma'am, apple.
Apple.
Apple. And I want that you both share this apple between you.
Ma'am, we will share half.
Okay, yes, you will share half. Okay.
Deep. Ma'am, like this?
Oh, see, your part is bigger and his piece is smaller. Your piece is bigger and his piece is smaller. So we can't say it is half because to make half we have to cut a hole in 2 equal parts. Okay?
Okay,
So
ma'am.
let me explain that this is a apple and I'll cut then like this. Now you can see that both of these pieces are equal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and this is 1 out of 2 equal pieces, and this is also 1 out of 2 equal pieces. So this is also half and this is also half. And if I join both of these pieces, then it will become a complete one apple,
Okay,
a
ma'am.
whole. Okay, so similarly, if I divide this apple in 4 equal parts, let me do this like this. Yes, then how many pieces I'll get?
Ma'am,
1, 2, 3,
4.
4 pieces,
4. You
ma'am.
can see that we have now 4 equal pieces of this apple. Okay?
Yes.
And if I am taking this one piece out of 4 equal pieces, then what we call it? This is 1/4. This is called
1/4.
1/4. And if I am taking 2 equal pieces out of 4 equal pieces, then it is called 2/4.
2/4.
2/4. And if I take 3 equal pieces together out of 4 equal pieces, then it is 3/4.
3/4.
Okay. And if I take all together these 4 pieces, then again it completes this apple. Again it is a whole one apple. Okay. So now we will do one more activity using paper. Okay. Both of you have your papers?
Yes, ma'am. I have.
Okay. Now, as I have done in apple activity like that, can you show me half of this paper?
Half.
Half.
Ma'am, how?
Half. Fold it
Okay, ma'am.
and yes, like this. You fold it.
Ma'am,
Like
I
this.
have
Yes.
Ma'am, I have also done.
Very good, very good. Like this you will fold. Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Now, how many pieces you got?
Ma'am, 1, 2.
Okay.
2 pieces.
Okay, very good. Now you tear this page through this folded line.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very good. See. sharp
Ma'am,
is
please, I
very
have
fast.
also done.
Okay, very good. See, now, what is this? Can you show which one is half?
Ma'am, half.
Yes, this is half. And that one?
Half.
That is also half. Why?
Ma'am, because there are 2 parts and this is 1.
Out.
So 1 out of 2.
2. Very good, Shalu. Shalu, you?
Ma'am, this is half or this is half. So,
Yes. And if we join both of these half pieces, then it will become a complete page. Complete one paper.
Okay.
So, this is 1 out of 2 equal pieces of this paper. And this is also 1 out of 2 equal pieces of this paper. So, these are half pieces.
Half.
Okay. Now take one more paper and do 1/4 of that.
One.
Show me 1/4 of the paper. How you will do? For that you first give 1/4. Yes.
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, like this.
Yes, like this. Now give it one more fold.
One more fold.
Yes, give it.
Okay, ma'am.
One more fold. Now this time Deep is doing very fast. Shalu.
Ma'am.
Very good. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have done.
Okay. Now you all tear these tear this
Oh.
paper
Okay, ma'am.
through these folded lines. Yes.
Ma'am, 2.
I want 1/4, Shalu.
1/4. Okay, ma'am.
I told that tear these pages
Okay.
along all these folded lines.
Ma'am, I have done.
Oh my
Very
God.
good. Now
Ma'am, please
she has
wait.
done very fast.
Ma'am, please wait.
Do fast. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I have also
So
done.
how many pieces you have got?
Ma'am, 1, 2, 3, 4.
4. And Shalu?
Ma'am, 1, 2, 3,
3,
4.
4. Okay, what is 1/4?
1/4.
1/4.
1/4. Very good. So now what is 2/4?
2/4,
Two-
ma'am.
2/4.
Yes. Now you understand 1 out of 4 means 1/4. 2 out of 4 equal pieces means 2/4.
2/4.
Now what is 3/4?
3/4.
3/4. ma'am.
3/4, ma'am.
Very good. 3 pieces out of 4 equal pieces is 3/4. Now if we again join all the 4 pieces, then we get a complete one paper. That is one whole. Okay. So now
Thank you.
I want that any one of you can write this half.
Ma'am, can I write?
Yes.
Ma'am, 2 upon 1.
Deep, would you like to say something?
Yes, ma'am. Because the apple was divided into 2 equal parts, so she wrote 2 above the line. Yes.
Okay, let me explain. See, we cannot write, here we have done 2 equal pieces of a whole, so we cannot write 2 above line, above the dividing line.
Amen.
We write 1 upon 2 as half. Why? Because 2, here 2 is showing us total number of equal parts, and 1 we have written above because we are talking about only one piece out of 2 equal pieces. So half we represent as 1 upon 2.
2.
Okay. So now one more thing I would like to add up here, that the number that we write above the dividing line is called numerator. What we call as
Numerator.
numerator. And the number that we have written below to the dividing line is called denominator.
Denominator. Okay.
Okay. So the numbers which we are writing above the dividing lines are called numerator, and the numbers that we write below to the dividing line is called denominator. Okay. So now I am going to write some examples here. First one.
Ma'am, how to remember this?
Okay. To remember this, I will tell you that D for denominator and D for down.
Now,
D for down, D for denominator. So easily you can remember that here the number which is written downside is denominator. So automatically the number which is written above is numerator.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So I am writing here first example. Yes. 3 upon 5. This dividing line is, we call it as upon also and by also. 3 by 5 or 3 upon 5. Okay.
Okay.
Anything you can say. Now what is numerator here? Shall
ma'am, numerator, ma'am, 3.
Deep.
Yes, ma'am, because 3 is written above the dividing line. That is why it is numerator.
Very good. Okay. Now second one I am writing 2 upon 7. Okay, Shalu, you tell me that what is denominator here?
Denominator, ma'am, 7.
Ma'am, my turn, please.
Okay. Now Deep, you tell. What is denominator here?
Ma'am, the denominator is 7.
Okay, Shalu, now you explain how it is 7.
Ma'am, because D4 down or D for denominator. So 7 is denominator.
Very good. So 7 is denominator because 7 is written down the dividing line. Okay, good. So you both understand what is numerator and denominator. So whatever activity we have done up to here, and we have talked about all these types of numbers. So do you know this half, 1/4, 3/7, 2/5, like that? All these numbers are called fractions. The numbers that we write in form of numerator upon denominator are called fractions.
Ma'am, how to write fractions? Means a spelling of fraction.
Fractions we write as Fractions. Fractions.
Fractions.
And how we can define it? In general, we can say that fractions are the part of a whole. A fraction is a part of a whole. Can you repeat?
Yes, ma'am. Fraction is a part of a whole.
Very good. Okay. So next turn is
Ma'am, these are very interesting activities. Can we do some more activities?
Yes, ma'am. Please, some more
Okay.
activities.
yes, of course we can do. I'm having these activities for you. That first of all, I'm having some colorful blocks. You can see now.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, Deep, this time you tell me that what fraction of these blocks is of violet color?
Violet color. Ma'am, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 and violet is 1, 2, 3. Ma'am, 3 out of 7.
Very good. 3 out of 7. Okay, Sharu, now it's your turn. What fraction of these blocks is of yellow color?
Yellow, ma'am. 1, 2. Ma'am, 2 out of 7.
Very good. 2 out of 7. Okay, let us do one more activity. You have done very well. Okay. Now I'm having some packs in my hand, and these are the holes in which we can fix like this. Okay. So this time, Shalu, you fix here in these holes. Okay.
Ma'am, can I do?
Okay, Dev. You fix 1/4
1/4.
in these holes.
Okay, ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4. 1/4. 1. Yes. Yes, I have done, ma'am.
Very good, very good.
Yeah.
Okay, now Shalu, it's your turn. Now you fix 3/4 of these bags.
3/4. 3, ma'am. 1, 2, 3. Yes, ma'am, I can. 1, 2, and 3, ma'am. Am I right, ma'am?
Very good, very good. You have done very well. Okay, I hope that you both understood this topic of fractions.
Yes,
Very well.
ma'am.
Very well.
Very
Yes,
nice.
very good. So now it's time to give you homework. Okay?
Okay,
So
ma'am.
what is your homework today? Today you both will go home and list out some examples where we are using fractions in our daily life. Okay?
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you,
Fractions
ma'am.
in our daily life. Ma'am,
Hmm.
can you give one example? I don't understand how to write.
Like where you are using fractions, cutting of cake on your birthday.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? And like you people are sharing pizza. If you are 4 members, then how you will share?
Okay,
Where
ma'am.
we are using
Yeah.
fractions. Okay? Half or 1/4 like
And
that.
chapati also?
Yes,
Oh,
anything.
yeah.
So you have to find fractions where you are using it in your daily life.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
We will
Okay.
do. Thank
Thank
you,
you,
ma'am.
Okay, see you in the next class and have a nice day.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.